Hi everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report from Fortress Net Lease REIT. Let's see if this fortress is built on solid ground or if it's more like a house of cards about to tumble down. This is a Form 8K, which is basically a quick update a company sends to the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, whenever something important happens. In this case, it's dated April 11, 2025. The main event here is that Fortress Net Lease REIT is changing who manages the sale of its securities. They are switching from Independent Brokerage Solutions LLC, or the new ELA manager. This new dealer is connected to FNLR Management LLC, which is the advisor to the company. Think of it like changing real estate agents in the middle of selling a house. It might seem simple, but it can have ripple effects. To make this change official, the old agreement with the prior dealer manager was assigned or given to the new dealer manager. Then Fortress Net Lease REIT, the advisor, and the new ELA manager signed a new agreement, along with an updated version of another agreement. All of this paperwork ensures everyone is on the same page and knows their roles. The updated agreement includes changes to reflect the different classes of shares the company offers, such as Class S, Class D, and Class I shares. It also removes some old details related to a previous offering period that ended in February of 2024. Aside from these updates, the main terms and conditions of the dealer manager agreement remain pretty much the same. It's mostly a change of names and a few tweaks to reflect the current situation. There's also a small change to the share repurchase plan. This plan allows the company to buy back its own shares from investors. The update simply reflects the change in dealer manager. The plan itself remains the same. Now let's move to the exhibit section of this report. These exhibits give us access to all the legal documents mentioned above, which are required by SEC. Exhibit 4.1 is the amended and restated share repurchase plan dated April 11, 2025. This document details the rules and guidelines for when and how the company can buy back its shares. Next up is Exhibit 10.1, the dealer manager agreement dated April 11, 2025. This is the core agreement between the company, the advisor, and the new dealer manager. It outlines the responsibilities and compensation of the dealer manager. Finally, we have Exhibit 10.2, the form of participating broker-dealer agreement. This is the standard agreement that the new dealer manager will use with other broker-dealers who help sell the company's securities. So, what does all this mean? The core change here is the new dealer manager. This suggests a possible shift in strategy or a desire for improved performance in selling the REIT's securities. It's also worth noting that Fortress Net Lease REIT is an emerging growth company. That means they have fewer requirements for reporting and are often seen as higher risk, higher reward investments. The fact that they are making these changes could signify they are preparing for bigger growth in the future. As always, do your homework before investing in any company, especially one labeled as an emerging growth company. Overall, this report is more of an administrative update than a major shake-up. The key takeaway is the change in dealer manager, which could signal a shift in the company's approach to raising capital. Thanks for tuning in to Corporate Decoder. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more financial deep dives. Until next time, stay informed and invest wisely.